Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be sharing my welcome kit pics with you all. So guys, these are the things which I got as my welcome kit from Accenture. I'm quite happy with that. Like I got a very good headset and a very good laptop and a bag which is quite good. And guys, you can expect many more things as few of my friends got many more stuffs like water bottle and diary and all. So you can expect as well guys. Guys, it totally depends on them, which we don't know. So keep expecting more. And now let us talk about perks of joining Accenture. So, guys, the very first thing I like about Accenture is joining bonus. So, like, you can expect around 25K as your joining bonus. Like, if you complete your TFA in the very first attempt, and if you complete your training modules up to 90% and more, then you can expect your 25K as your joining bonus. And the second thing I like about Accenture is work from home setup alliances, guys. Like you will be getting additional 18K as your work from setup alliances. Like you will have to buy things like mouse, keyboard, chair, table, and you will have to upload the bill, and you will get your 18K reimbursed, which is a very good thing. And the third thing which I like about Accenture is internet alliances, guys. You can reimburse up to 1K per month as your internet expense, which is a quite good amount. And the fourth thing which I like about Accenture is guide shift alliances. As you all know, if you are working in shift B and shift C, then you will be getting shift alliances as well, which is a quite good thing. And here training and technologies are also very good, guys. Like most probably you will be getting development project, guys. And one more thing, like it is not sure that you will be getting the same technology which you have been trained on. So you should be ready to shift technology as well. Like guys, I have been trained on React and got project on Angular, so you have to be very flexible with the technologies as well. And here work life balance is also very good, guys. Like I'm quite satisfied with my work. And the most important thing which I would like to talk about is, promotion. Like recently in my projects, many people got promoted. So, I asked them like what are the requirements and all. So I got to know that first thing is like we have to pass the Techleap exam. And then, second thing is our performance should also be very good. And the third thing is like you have to have 12 months of experience. It means 1 year of experience.